Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a velocity and ghost effect on CapCut. So first import your clips and then click on it, go to style and find the auto velocity options. Okay, this one, so just click on that and wait for the auto velocity to finish generating. Okay, so now it's finished. Click on the check icon, then import your video. Okay, after it's finished exporting, you can just go back and then undo the auto velocity. Okay, so now click on overlay and add the video that you've just exported. Okay, add it as an overlay and align it with the first video and then fit the size. And go to splice and set it into 75. Click on a check icon and then add a keyframe at the beginning of the clips and then add where you want the ghost effect to end. Let's say I want it to end in here. After that, add the second keyframe, go to splice and lower it again into 60 I mean. Okay, click on the check icon and then zoom it a bit, zoom the video a bit like this, and then go in between the keyframe and go to grabs and add the ease out one. Click on the check icon and then go to the second keyframe again, click on animation out and add a fade out. Okay, adjust it to your liking. Click on a check icon and now you are done with the velocity and ghost effect. So it'll go like this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.